Hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, at all over the Philippines, all over the world. Welcome natin, pinagmamalaki ang ating the best channel, Joe TV. Kaya dito sa lahat ng mga Pilipino sa ibang bansa, kinakamusta namin kayo dyan because Joe TV is making waves all over the globe. And just follow and subscribe at supportahan natin ang Joe TV. This again, Tito Bob of Press and Media Press and Support Organization Cooperative. Okay, mabuhay tayo lahat. Joe TV.
Hello Philippines! Good morning, good noon, good evening, and good night all over the country. Joe TV Philippines!
Hi! I'm Tess Bagarama from Joe TV Philippines. Mabuhay!
Mabuhay po ang ating buong mundo, hindi lamang po Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. At nandito po tayo sa Joe TV Worldwide News ng ating partner, Joe Olea, the President of Tamana North Construction. At siyempre, balikatan, action agad. Kasama po natin ang Help Pilipinas Advocacy Group. At syempre, ang aming isang advocacy ay ang gapiin ang katiwalian at ang mga abusado. At tara na! Balikatan at Help Pilipinas Action agad dito sa Joe TV Worldwide News. Alright! Mabuhay po kayong lahat. And God bless us and more power to us.
Andy Samaniego, live dito sa Joe TV Philippines. At tayo mag-e-ere. Once and for all, pakinig kayo. Tayo merong magagandang balita sa oras na ito. See you!
Hello, magandang gabi po. Dito po tayo ngayon sa Joe TV Philippines. Maraming salamat po.
Hello! Joe TV Philippines, mabuhay!
Hello, Joe TV Philippines, mabuhay! Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat.
Welcome to the show and Joe TV Worldwide, live, worldwide. This is Tito Bob of Joe TV presenting to you our show for today with our special guest from the big island of Japan. Yeah. Ayan. Gozaimasu. Dozo ba wakaranai?
Una, ito baka Pasirang pa rin.
Oo. Ayan, wala.
Joe TV's okay.